Oh, look at this. That's a bit noisy, isn't it, eh? It's a bit noisy, mate. Makes too much noise, that does. Wheels are too small.
No grunt.
Barry, do those birds have their wings? They're flying at the airfield. In the old days, you never saw these birds because we always scared them away. We did a service to the aviation community by scaring away all the birds that otherwise land on the runway when this plane's about to come in.
It takes a while to get around, eh?
Here we go, folks. This could be good, eh? Look at this. Beautiful. It's just beeping, mate.
Yeah, beeping because I plugged in before I turned the radio on.
Oh.
That's better.
It's away. Whoa! You got too much restriction in your tailpipe.
Yep, that's no good. We have to take that off.
Beautiful landing in the grass. Look at this. Here's a man out in a field of daisies. Oh, look. He's just picked a plane. It must have grown there. Beautiful.
The legs come out, front leg.
Mine does that sometimes, Barry.
Yeah, I'll have to take this bit off and try.
Too much restriction on the tailpipe.
Yep. All good for a test.
Yeah. That'll do it, mate.
Try that.
Should be gorgeous now.
Yeah.
That'll be gorgeous.
Coming back round again.
Yeah, we'll get off the runway.
We'll hit him on the head with a brick again, Barry, if he's coming around.
We're going to try a bit of hot glue on that wheel.
Yeah, why not?
And we'll have another go shortly.
Yeah. Oh, where's he going? Can't keep track of him. Another 70mm EDF Dolphin, hooning through the sky. Up and down, up and down. Much quieter with the 70mm fan too. And this one's got the landing gear on. Told you, you go straight ahead and land on the runway. Don't try and bring it round. That's actually grass, mate. On the tarmac, remember. Ooh, look at this. Beautiful, look at that, just gorgeous. That is lovely. That's what you call a 4-point landing. No steerable nose leg on these. Oh, that's gorgeous, mate. Do it again. Oh, lovely! That's what you call a half flip on the ground. Beautiful piece of aerobatics. Acrobatics, I suppose, because it's on the ground.
No control with wheels on it.
Yeah. And look, you ended up right down there by my hangar.
We'll take the wheels off private and see what it's like on landing with no wheels.
Yeah. There you go, he's trying a landing. Ooh. Beautiful, beautiful. Where's he going? Keep the split power on if you're going to go around.
Yeah, I'm just having a fun.
Yeah, remember it drops a wing. Oh, we've got a twin star coming in, but he's 3 miles away, so you don't have to worry too much. Bit of wind, so you'll might need some power if you hits, unless you're coming short. Sweet, look at that, eh? Beautiful, mate. It's gorgeously lined up, that is. Bloody wonderful.
No power on at all.
You land short then, won't you?
Oh, sweet. lumpy, all right.
Barry says it's lumpy. Is it a one lumper or a two lumper, Barry?
Oh, that.
Nothing? See that fluorescent nose on the front of the Dolphin, eh? It's beautiful. Shows the heat of re-entry. Now he's settled down, hasn't he, old Barry? He's flying quite slow and docile now. What's with that? Ooh. Oh, I've missed him. There he goes. I'm getting blown around here. And I'm on the camera. Very strong crosswind today.
Okay, traffic whiskey kilo uniform, turning final 31, touch again.
That was pretty good. Getting thrown around up there.
A little bit bumpy today.
It is bumpy today. That was a pretty credible landing, touch and go.